1st of April. That means Sierra's out. So I've just nearly finished taxing it. We'll go outside, give it a once over. Maybe go get some fuel, take it for a little spin. That should be good. First of April, Sierra's taxed. So, quick wash, quick once over, check the oil, check the fluids, pump the tyres. I think we should take it out for a nice little drive. Oh yes. So we're in the Sierra, ignition on, fans are working. Oh, we need fuel, we need fuel. We'll get that in a little bit once it's washed, so let's just see what it's like first start. Every time on the button. Oh, lovely.
Trusty, the surgical removal of excess skin on the eye.
80 stereo, beautiful. Sunshine roof. All the leather. Let's get this clean and let's get out in it. Not bad for just a shampoo. So as I say, I don't think you've actually been introduced to this properly. This is my Sierra 2000E Executive. I've had this since 2019. I've wanted one for years. I've always had Sierras, and I managed to get this one. And lockdown couldn't have fell at a better time for me, because it allowed me to fully rebuild and get it fully resprayed. Original pinstripes, original wheels, balloon tyres, nice and comfy. And the car is essentially stock, but it's stock plus, OEM plus. So we have stock engine, automatic transmission, 4-speed. I overhauled the transmission. We've got a shift kit in it and a Sonic's valve. Wheels and tyres, stock size. Springs, they are on custom made springs to my specification. Standard Cosworth height, but lower than a stock Sierra. Standard oiled shocks. Later 260mm front brakes, but standard Ford Sierra. New calipers, larger drums on the rear. It's got the RS accessory spoiler, which you could have once you bought the car from the dealership as an option, so I thought why not. It's got a lovely Piper stainless steel exhaust, full front to back, with silencers and resonators, so it's not loud, it's not boomy, it's lovely. And then other than that, I think that's about it. This year's plan for it is to get the aircon working. So it does work, but it leaks out, so it's not ideal. So I'm going to get the radiator remanufactured, as they're no longer available. I may have a better engine to go in it, although there isn't anything actually wrong with this, it's just me being me. Inside is lovely, full grey leather, very comfortable, very plush. When I restored it, I did add extra noise insulation and sound deadening throughout the car, the wheel wells, it's got fabric arch liners on the rear, extra insulation in the boot. And we did a 1,000-mile road trip to Belgium, me, Dave and another mate of ours, a couple of years back. I've actually got the plaque in here somewhere. There it is. Oh, you can see that. Bruges tour. Went all the way down south from up north. Eurotunnel, France, into Belgium. Went to Holland a little bit and then came back. 3 of us, boot full luggage, whole weekend. Nearly 40 to the gallon. Very comfortable, very smooth. It was excellent, couldn't fault it. So it does get used properly. Today I'm going to go nip to Halfords. I'll be going to work in it in the gym. So it isn't a trailer queen. It's kept nice, but it ain't no trailer queen. So yeah, that's an introduction to the 2000D. This is the one car that'll never go. Dad had them growing up. Had loads of them. He actually had the 2000D, and that was why I wanted one. But yeah, so I'm on my. This is my 3rd Sierra. My previous 2, a white one, 2-litre twin cam, but a GLX. I had that when I was 18, and I got that in Performance Ford. That was excellent. 2.38 valve hybrid engine with bicarbs, and then I had a 4x4 2-litre that I put on a downdraft Weber with a turbo, and it worked, kind of. It ended up going a bit blowy, shall we say. So I got rid of that, and that was at the point at which I bought this. And this one's been in my custody since 2019. So yeah. So I'm just going to give it a little light polish, little light wax. And then so the car's all clean, it's all polished up. It's had a nice little run. I went and got some petrol in it, I didn't film it. Really need to buy a little didgeridoo for holding the camera in the car, so I'll get one of them ordered, I think, and then we'll I think I'll do a nice video on a nice drive, maybe go out to a show or something with it, take Dave and Paul, and we'll upload that. So yeah, so this is the end of the first video for the Sierra. Nice little update on it, an introduction to it. You'll be seeing a lot more of this year, mainly at shows and other stuff. I'd say we've got the aircon radiator to do and a few other little bits and bobs, nothing major, mainly just maintenance work on this year. As I say, it's quite reliable, so we don't tend to have to do much to it. So yeah, like and subscribe over there for more videos and content. And if you want to post anything as a comment, let us know what videos you like, what you don't like, and I'll do more of what you do like, and whatever you don't like, I won't do it again. So, see you again soon.